The weather is really weird. I ordered chicken karaage and then I got miso soup with rice too. Did you order?
Teriyaki chicken.
What'd you order, mommy?
Yakitori. Yakitori.
Wow. Yeah. We arrived in Kyoto Karawamachi, Jokyoji. Hi.
Yokyoji.
Yeah. So we got the card.
No.
Dancing. Girl, this is the door. It's me. There's, when you go in, there's a toilet. Go here. Just a sink. Hi.
Hi.
There's 3 beds for the 3 of us. There's a window. And a TV. We just took a nap like... No, I didn't. She didn't take a nap. I took a nap like 2 hours. A really nice 2-hour nap. And now we're just gonna go shopping again. Oh, so cute! Meow! That's a Shiba. This is our seat. We found this omurice restaurant. This is the restaurant that we used to eat like back in 2023. We ordered cheese fries together. Go. Bye.
I don't think we ordered it.
There's cheese hamburger steak. Ordered hash brown with chicken and with rice.
I know, what did you do?
Oh, so cute. Oh. Oh my gosh, there's a lot. These are so cute. Oh my gosh. These are like the special editions. Right? Oh, so cute. We're in the dog cafe right now. It's so cute. Oh, oh.
Go for your...
No. We're in Family Mart right now and I got ice cream. Hi. Ooh. We all ordered the same thing. In the sausage. There's my favorite pudding. I don't know if I should eat it. I'm kind of full already.
Word from the front.
Bisa nggak ya? Kok nggak bisa deh, Pi?
Nah gitu, good.
Lagi Len.
Same. Oh yeah.
We got chicken naan bun. You should try. Taste test. Is it good? Good, right? The honey chicken is good. Yay. It's my happy place, bro. Oh my gosh. When you go in here, in the right, there's a toilet. There's another bathroom, but two sinks, a shower, and this is another door to go to another bed. Let's see the view. Whoa. Like a big kitchen here. Sink. And then sofas. What is that? Oh, it's a vinyl player. This is the lounge. Here we got some dark chocolate. There's so many other things. There's tea. There's other kinds of snacks. Soup. There's soup here. Yay. Alright, we're going out to go to Donongi. Hi. We just finished eating. Now we're gonna go to Donongi. This is the Donongi that I got to last time. Now we're here again. So cute, bro. Hey, who got the coins? There's so much charmier here. Yeah. I love it. So cute. We are in the pizza restaurant right now.
I'll get this one.
Oh my god, this is so good. I want this one. Pizza's here. You got these potatoes, which are so good. Sal ordered balok nice. We are in Ninanzaka. Thank you. Totoro. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. We're in a restaurant right now in Makashimaya. Got hash brown and chicken. My mom got the same one too.
Oh, it's really good.
We're back in the hotel. Yay! Okay, I'm gonna give a haul what I bought today. Went to Starbucks today. I bought a Stanley. I'm probably gonna use this to school. And then this is what I bought. The only thing that I bought in Kittyland, because there was so much people. And this is the one I've been looking for actually for like so long. So I got salmon, hash brown, chicken, and rice. I forgot to film, so I already ate like all of them. Mama. We're in Tokyo Azabudai Mall. It's really hot today. I should have not worn my thermal. I still have it because I'm scared it's gonna be cold, but the weather like always changes here. So hi, bro. The mall is so futuristic. Like the streets here are really clean. Yoshinoya. I got cheese beef. What'd you get?
Tasty. Looks so tasty.
And then you got kimchi. Okay, now let's go to Ginza. Going down the stairs again. Kamiyacho Station. We have arrived in Ginza and now we're gonna go to Sanrio store. Can't breathe. Gosh, so cute. This is the K-pop section. I'm ordering this one. We're already walking towards the store now. Hungry girl. Okay, we're done. We got the H3 sandwiches. I heard that it's really good. And it smells really good. It smells really good. We got the goods. Now we're gonna go get a taxi now. So we're gonna eat in 7-Eleven, the one downstairs.
Again.
I got water and matcha too. Oh.
Ganti personil.